1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the 12. Alright, so what's up YouTube? Now, I was having a conversation with myself earlier this year and I said, Berry, I need to step outside of the social media countdown review videos where you can hear my chipmunk voice. I want to be interviewing people and actually reasoning and find out about them life and, you know, hold my little interviewing skills. And who better to kick it off with one of the leading Caribbean entertainers, Mr. Daniel Loveless from Trinidad and Tobago.
You don't know.
The man going with a bag of things. Here say you have over 18 million video views per YouTube.
That is correct, yeah.
I have your play button.
That is
100,000,
correct.
all of these things. Okay, welcome.
So if you didn't know,
but
now you know.
But only thing is that him get the new one.
Yeah, oh God, yeah. I mean, the old one's just like, oh gosh.
Okay, so you're in Jamaica. What brings you here?
Well, I came to do what you know. I came to question the people, the Jamaicans, and to see what they know, and to share the laughter and learning that I do throughout the world.
Shansia Vibes Cartel and Popcorn are in a room with you alone. 2 persons enter the room. How many people are in the room now?
No. I'm a Christian. I don't enter that part. I'm a Christian. Huh? I'm a Christian. I don't enter that part.
Okay.
Alright, so what do you find when you step outside of Trinidad? How do you find the people respond to you differently?
Well, I mean, every culture is different, some are easier to deal with, some are a bit difficult to deal with. I would say that Jamaica was one of the difficult ones to deal with. Not because they are bad people, they are great people, but just in terms of understanding, the dialect basically. So it's a bit harder, like how to approach people, because while I could, go in Canada and say, hey, what's up, would you like to answer some questions? Here I need to say Wagwan, my youth, want to answer some questions, keep it current and, adapt to the culture, but it's nice and I'm enjoying it so far.
Okay, so I forgot to mention this brother literally started his What You Know series. Is you go around talk to people, you just give them some questions, trivia questions, and them answer it, and it has been just like exploding.
Yeah, like, exactly. Yeah.
Every month or every couple of weeks, I see you like a viral clip.
Exactly. Yeah.
How did you get started, and how do you feel about where you're at right now?
Well, I started watching in Trinidad and Tobago 3 years ago. And I've been producing the show in Trinidad for 3 years, Trinidad and Tobago for 3 years.
Yeah.
And I decided that I needed something new. I needed to revamp the brand, because in Trinidad I was here, I was at my peak. Yes. And I didn't want the brand to die, so I needed to make a decision as to where should I take the brand next, and what other way than to expand the brand and to expand it in a global manner. And I noticed and I reviewed the statistics and I realized that a lot of the following range in different Caribbean countries, a lot of places, in South Africa, in Europe. So I decided that I now need to take the brand away from Trinidad and Tobago and expand it globally and to share the love of Trinidad and Tobago to the world.
What do you call words with the same sound but different meaning?
Words with the same song?
Sound but different meaning.
Is it a synonym? I should.
Okay. We actually have that in common, but you're actually making that step. I'm at that place now where I feel like I've been doing enough and I feel like I want to jump to the next.
More. Yeah.
So I'm now thinking the same way you're thinking about expanding. That's where my mind is thinking about that, but it seems very kind of scary. Okay, kind of wonder am I only interested to just Caribbean people? Will I be interested in or appeal to a different audience, a different demographic? So how do you overcome those fears if you do have?
Well, I think, for me, I eventually figured it out. I always wanted to take my show to the world, but I just never saw the way, how to get it done.
Yeah.
And after a while, I noticed that the universe aligned, and I saw that, things were falling into place for me to actually take the show on a global platform.
Yeah.
And sometimes, a bit frightening going to countries, you know nothing about, you don't know how the people will accept you. But for me, I love a challenge.
Yeah.
So, I go out there
and clearly
I get it done. You know what I mean?
Well, clearly, which video would you say was the video that made you realize that, yeah, I'm definitely onto something? What post, what video was it that gave you the insight to say, yeah, I think I have something here?
I think from the first What You Know video.
Oh wow.
The first What You Know video, I knew that I was onto something. I knew that this made me different. This is what made me stand out. I noticed that, I was always good with dealing with people, but after doing this video, I realized I'm really good with people, and I should make this a career.
Yeah.
And from then I decided, this is it. This is what I'm gonna do for the rest of my life.
Yeah. When I watched your videos, that wasn't the first thing. Besides the because I guess as a creator, you can kind of understand certain things.
Yeah.
So first up, I was just like, so the brother here, I'm done. He's not done.
Right.
Like he because there's an art to being able to like
Exactly.
communicate and to get people to be comfortable on camera.
Exactly, yeah.
And sometimes I see the brother, you're talking and you do like this, and
Yeah,
I'm like,
yeah,
no man,
yeah.
come on, and you're
Try your thing, man,
building
yeah.
a band, and I said like, yo, that's it. And I did a little research again. I found out that you university student.
Yeah.
Business,
So
something in business?
Yeah, business
Yeah, talk
management
about that.
at the University of the Southern Caribbean.
Mhm.
So when I completed secondary school, in an effort to find myself, I wasn't doing what at the moment. So I just enrolled in university because everybody was enrolling in university.
That's the thing to do.
Yeah. I got like 8 CSEC passes.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I'm have 8 to come again.
Yeah,
Build up
man,
yourself,
no,
yes.
man. So I just enrolled in university. I always liked business management, so I just enrolled in that. And there I try to find myself doing that. I try to jump from job to job, which became a bit monotonous jumping from job to job. And that's when I decided that I'm gonna do what I'm gonna interview people and I'm gonna produce a show called What You Know. So I actually have 1 semester remaining to complete.
So finish
the degree.
everything,
But I'm too busy traveling the world right now. So
You see all of them bragging there, a humble brag. You call that
Yeah,
a
humble brag.
Yes, a humble brag. Alright, so one of the things that stands out, and I see the evolution,
Right.
is your sense of style.
Right.
Fashion.
Yes.
Is that important to and
love-
having this
yeah.
image? Because it didn't
I
start
love-
out like this.
I love that question. I love
Yeah.
that question because nobody ever asked me that question actually, and that's a really good question.
Great.
So why I adapted this style is because I was trying to partner with different companies in Trinidad and Tobago
Yes.
actually. So I was looking at different companies to partner with. I even had some meetings with some companies to
Yeah.
have some sponsorships on board when it came to clothing, etc. And for some reason or the other, it just wasn't working out. Either the store was not aligning with what I wanted to represent,
Yes.
or what they wanted to give me was less of what I deserved. And I believe that a man must be given what he deserves and be paid what he is worth.
Agreed.
So I told myself, I'm not gonna ask anybody for anything again. I'm gonna design my own clothes. I'm gonna make my own clothes. And this is my style now. So the message there is sometimes out of adversity comes great things, because I was going through a process. I need to look different. I am a superstar, I'm a celebrity, I'm somebody that people look up to, so I want to look a specific way.
Yeah, I'm so glad that you actually shared this, because I was looking and I said, I feel this is deliberate.
Yeah.
And I just didn't know when you you made your own stuff, because I was just like, where are you getting clothes at a store?
Yeah.
To get the fabric to match the outfit.
Yeah.
And it works. It works because when somebody sees you, they're just like, yo, this you?
Yeah.
Him clearly have to be a celebrity, he's a star.
Exactly.
What does he do?
A lot of people in Jamaica ask me, which artist am I?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Literally, you could literally enter any Jamaican stage right now and just say,
Serious.
I'm coming up next and you go on stage.
I'm gonna try that.
You should try it.
Yeah.
Because when I started off here, I had an image of my own. So what I did was just speed up the videos.
Right.
So my voice went very fast. So it went like this, and then I said, okay, I'm gonna put a fitted cap. I'm gonna have a bow tie, because nobody's doing that. Bow tie. I'm going to bring it back. But so it's interesting to hear you talk about the importance of having that image.
Correct.
And funny enough, I see your own fans start trolling you.
Because
of this new image.
And I enjoy it. I enjoy every
He had a
moment
picture
of it.
of I think it was like a checkered shirt.
Yes,
And
yes.
they put like a bread
a bread,
bag,
a bread, I think. Yeah.
It was funny.
People like it, some people like it, some people don't like it. Some people agree with the look, some people don't agree with certain looks, but I enjoy it. I wear what makes me feel comfortable, and I go out there and rock it,
Yeah. So, did you at any point in your creation journey face backlash in terms of your home country for any video, or basically when you're talking to people and some people might not receive the message and say you may be making fun of them, it's a mockery? Talk about that.
Yeah, so one time a literacy organization lashed out. We had a little back and forth because they opted to partner with me, but they wanted to basically alter the way the show was produced.
Oh, the creative
so
process.
I really wasn't about altering the creative process of the show, and but I think that it made me better, and that's the thing about it. It made me better. So although they lashed out, a lot of people opted to boycott the show and whatever, it made me better, because I look at the videos from when they lashed out to after they lashed out, and it actually made me better. I mean, they had some valid points, So I take all the criticism and try to
be able to grow from
it. Yeah, to grow from it. Yeah.
Okay, and I saw you do a little bit of clapback. I think somebody said that you're poking fun at people, and you're basically saying that it's not just that it's basically to entertain as well as educate, and the importance of that, because in a similar type of videos that I do, it is very easy to just see what's at the surface and not really understand the message that's behind it. So I found it very important that you spoke about, like, actually what you're doing is edutainment.
Yeah. Education through entertainment. So I try to stress on that point. And to be honest, when I started the videos, I didn't really have that goal in mind, But after going and after doing a lot of videos, then I discovered. So that's why I say criticism sometimes makes you better.
Because you mature along
Yeah, because at first, I was just doing it for fun. But you see, when I discovered that purpose, oh boy, it was so amazing. Because now I actually get to educate people and teach them about things that they did not know.
Okay, it's a similar thing, because when I did my countdown, there was a thing where I would only post like viral videos that involve like fighting. So any video that was like two girls fight or two girls fight, I was like, yeah, that's it. And then I realized that I was representing my country, Jamaica. And so if I put a top 10 countdown and it's only 10 things that people fighting, people abroad are going to think that it's only crime happening in alone. Jamaica, so over time, I grew, took some criticism and said, okay, let me balance it. So if somebody, passed the CXC and got some really good grades or graduated or won an award, I'd put that in it. So it was overall a diverse blend. So it's kind of good to see that as creators we're able to like learn and the whole entire process. Where would you like to see yourself now? Where picture Daniel 2030.
Right.
What would you like to see?
Yeah, well, in 2013, so what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to go to each country and basically expand the platform and introduce new people to the show. The long-term goal of the show is to basically make it into an actual television show. On an international network, right? Such as maybe GSN or ABC. So I want to become that
Family Feud type of vibe.
That type of vibe. So I want to create, like, What You Know is here to stay. So a lot of people ask me, what comes after What You Know? But nothing really comes after What You Know, because it is here to stay. So even when I retire from What You Know, I want to leave that platform there for people to be able to have a job. So when Daniel Loveless retires from What You Know, there's going to be another host of What You Know, but What You Know will still be here, which there will be like a live audience where people could come and look at What You Know. We'll have a nice Caribbean taste it, but we want to put Trinidad and Tobago, and by extension the Caribbean, on the map. We want to be here, and we want to show people that we are here to stay. And not only that is what I intend to do with What You Know. I want to open a lot of schools across different countries, and I'm going to call it the What You Know Educational Institute of whichever country it's opened in. Which the first one will be in Trinidad and Tobago. So it'll be the What You Know Educational Institute of Trinidad and Tobago, and it's going to be a large estate where people could come and learn different things. So it's not a university, but it's somewhere that offers courses where people could come and they could learn to do different things: photography, anything rigid from makeup, landscape, and anything you could think about that you could learn, because as the goal is to educate, you could come there and learn it. So the best comparison I could give with that is like with Tyler Perry Studios. How he recently opened his studio.
Amazing what he just did. Amazing.
So in that same capacity is what I want to do with the What You Know Educational Institute, where it's a large place where people can come by and learn stuff. You pay to do a course, and these paid courses will be offered in countries where people can actually afford it. But in other countries where it's the people are not so fortunate to be able to afford to pay to do a course, it will be offered for free. And we'll use the income from the other countries to fund the institute in the other countries.
So when did you visualize and organize all of this?
Only recently, because the vision with the show, I always wanted to do the show education through entertainment, but I always asked myself, I always wanted to do more as an entertainer and offer more to society. So I say, like, I don't just want to die and just be known as, alright, he was the host of What You Know, he left the What You Know show.
And just gimmicks,
I want to leave something substantial. A legacy, I want to leave a legacy so that, something that people could actually go and learn something, and something that could, What You Know is here to stay.
Boy, so it's so good actually getting to talk to you, because now I see exactly why I follow you and why I think say you're an inspiration, because oftentimes as creators people just see the gimmicks and it's just like, oh, you just go around and make fun of people. But what I try to like highlight is just the fact that there's a lot of intelligence, there's a lot of understanding, and there's a lot of compassion for just people. And so even doing what you're doing, as I said, the message is just to educate, to teach people, and I can only imagine that in Trinidad you must be an inspiration for a lot of the youths there.
indeed.
So that they see I'm come to you and just like
take pictures, talk to me.
I probably want to start to get into YouTube
That
and
is
do videos
correct.
of
That
their
is
own
correct. And that is where the educational institute will come in.
Yes.
Because you see YouTube and these kind of non-traditional jobs is not something that is promoted. So at my institution, I want to show people that there is a way to make income rather than having to go and do a degree. Not discouraging going and do a degree, but if you could come here, you could learn to make productions like this. So because we're gonna have an entire housing just related for production. We're gonna have an entire housing related for like landscaping and different things. You can learn anything at the What You Know Educational Institute.
I'd love to kind of see that happen. So I want to touch on the whole idea of, did you get support once you, I guess, told your family members that I'm going to try to focus on online content? Because in Jamaica, to go to university and then to
No, sir. You see, when we speak about family, I speak about my mom. Because my mom is my rock. It's just me and her single parent family, and she has always been supportive of anything that I wanted to do.
Wow.
In terms of, I went through a lot of stuff before becoming Daniel Loveless. What You Know.
Yeah.
I was a photographer. I was actually a photographer before doing What You Know. I jumped from job to job, customer service rep here, customer service rep there. I even worked at a point in time at WebSource. That's a local company. As a customer service attendant, and I didn't stay long there. And years later, now that company came to advertise with What You Know.
Wow,
so it's just a message I want to trade there. By living good with people, I didn't leave anywhere on bad terms or anything like that.
Yeah. So what are the other opportunities now that you've put yourself on social media that have like come about just because you've now established yourself as, I guess, one of the leading influencers in Trinidad? Because I'm sure you must get like other gigs and things pop up.
Indeed. So I'm fortunate enough to get a lot of gigs when it comes to making appearances.
Oh, nice.
I actually host events as well.
Oh, nice.
So I actually
enjoy
advertise.
that?
I do. I do. Hosting events, hosting weddings. I also do advertisement through the show, so people can also advertise through the show. But I don't depend heavily on the advertisement through the show to fund my travels.
Because I really don't want to ask, because that some is a humble brag, but it's a big brag.
Yeah.
To be able to like take your show and like that's a big major step, and it can't be just cheap.
And the thing about it, a message to the youth listening is that I did not wait for a company or a person to give me an opportunity to travel the world. I don't wait till, like, when I go back to Trinidad, I'm not just going to be waiting. And this is a misconception that people have sometimes, because they think that, companies, sponsorships, but I don't wait. I don't wait. I mean, I would love it. How do you mean? But I don't wait on that. I am touring the world. I don't matter what, no matter if a company is on board, a company is not on board, I am going to tour the world and I'm going to make that happen. So it's a message, because I was waiting, I had a plan in place, like, alright, this is what I'm going to offer the company. But then I just noticed they was keeping me back, waiting on these people, and I realized that,
Stop you from moving forward.
I am not gonna try to get into alignment with these companies and get into alignment with people. People and companies need to get into alignment with me.
True.
So I'm traveling the world right now, and you all need to get into alignment. And even if you all don't want to get into alignment, that's fine by me. I am going to continue traveling the world and educating and entertaining and sharing love through the world.
Boy, I love everything we just said, because if you really sit and stall and wait for that, wait for that sort of validation from like, a corporate entity, you stall and limit your own success and where you could be. And so I bet you in time, that you've launched out on your own, they're going to see
your for sure.
And then now kind of, come after the fact. Exactly. But it's good that you are aware of your own greatness now and going on. And it's something that I would encourage, like, every other person to do. So now, since you're Mr. What You Know, I'm going to put you on the spot.
Alright, man.
Since we're in Jamaica right now, put you on the spot and say, what do you know?
Yeah, let's see if I know.
What you know? We just want to know what you know. If you know anything you may know, I may not know, but we just want to know what you know. Let we go.
What is the national dish of Jamaica? That food, national dish.
Oh my gosh, give me a second.
Oh wow.
My gosh, I asked this question on the street.
Wow!
Oh my gosh, hold on.
Jamaica's national dish.
Ackee and saltfish.
Oh wow. Okay.
Right.
Alright. Who is the sole lead female artist from Ramesh Entertainment?
Oh gosh, and see.
Alright. I was trying.
Yeah.
What do Jamaicans refer to as the female's posterior or derriere? We have a name for it. There are several names for it.
Wow.
You know, so
Back.
no, wrong. Come on, man.
So not back.
No, just think about that
Turn
rump.
back
Think
way,
about
back.
about that rump. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Ratted. I don't even know
So
what
you
that
can
means.
say bumper.
Bumper.
Yeah,
Bumper.
batty.
Right.
Yeah, batty jaw.
Okay.
Yeah, all of
Try.
these words. Okay. I'm going to put you on the spot now.
Right.
So, can you tell me
Right.
what is the capital of St. James? It's the capital of St. James. It's the other side of the island. The other side, it's only, you know, people come to Kingston. That's
But
in St.
Kingston is the capital
of Jamaica. But then you have the other tourist spot that's, you know.
Is there a capital of that place you're asking me?
St. James, yes man. It's
So-
where all the
so-
tourists go.
So there is a capital of St. James.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, I'm telling you. I am telling you, should know it. It's a place the tourists go like outside.
Montego Bay.
Of course.
Alright,
Yes.
alright, come down man. Yeah. Try to think that man.
Alright, so now I want you to give me 2 Jamaican words that we use to refer to the female anatomy. The female thing that's, you know, between the
Ratted.
2 Jamaican words that we, you know, call the vagina. You know?
Ratted is a good word, right?
Yeah, ratted is okay. It's
Yeah.
not, you know, it's like a. So thinking about that we call the female that part between the center.
Boy.
Come on, man. What do they call it in Trinidad?
Your meth or your catty or I don't know.
Oh, Jackie down there. Okay. I know something. You real. You're honor man or honor woman.
Honor. Okay.
Honor.
Honor. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
I've been
Teach me.
Okay, so you have pum pum.
All right.
You have pum pum. You have ukubit.
Ukubit.
You have ukubit. You have vagin. That's kind of PG.
All right.
You have pussy.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now I know.
Yeah. Hole. Yeah,
Right.
that. You have meat.
Okay.
You have Wally. I can't really go into it right now, but it is.
Now I know.
It is a lot. So now I'm going to ask. You can ask me a couple questions now. Come on, I get it. Like find 2 questions.
All right.
Anything we ask people them in Jamaica, I guarantee you, I know.
Shensia, Popcorn and Vibes Cartel are in a room with you alone. 2 persons enter the room. How many persons are in the room now?
Who? Shensia Vibes Cartel and who?
Shensia, Vibes Cartel, Popcorn are in a room. Shensia, Vibes Cartel and Popcorn are in a room with you alone. 2 persons enter the room. How many persons are in the room now?
5. That's all? 6.
It's 6.
Yes,
Yeah, now it is. Shensia, Vibes Cartel, Popcorn and
Yes.
yourself and 2
Oh.
persons. Yeah.
Okay, God, I felt like my whole entire intelligence was on the line just now. And just before I go, now I have a last question. So viewers, I don't know if you're able to like look at this.
I actually saw it on the paper before. I was like, damn, I know what this man up
So
to.
say it.
Ethnicity.
Say it 5 times fast.
Ethnicity.
So you
Ah,
looked on the
boy.
paper, you learn. There is a video that I'm going to put right now. This man was struggling.
I remember
This
that
man
video.
was struggling.
Yeah.
Can you name any 3 ethnicity? Can you name any 3 ethnicity?
Yeah. Name
So you-
3 ethnicities. Yeah,
Yes.
I tried to. Yeah, I just
Oh.
laugh at myself.
Boy, so this has been a great chat. I'm Daniel Loveless, and before you go, I just want you to say something to the people out there as it relates to why they should, you know, hone them creativity and just to like pursue it.
Good. No, but I just want to say to the people looking right now, the Jamaicans, people across the world, you know, any part of the globe you're at, I just want to let you know to don't give up. You know, keep pushing yourself, keep trying to, you know, create yourself, recreate yourself, you know, keep working on yourself, you know. Just don't give up. You know, I started YouTube earning like $7.65. That was my like my 5th month's paycheck, $7.65. And you know, and over the time, you know, a lot of people see things moving slow and they give up. So you know, just don't give up. Keep pushing, you know. Keep motivating yourself.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes you won't always have someone to motivate you.
True.
But you need to know that you can do it. And this is Daniel Loveless telling you that you can do it. So you can, right? Like can, C-A-N. So if you didn't know, now you know.
Exactly. And so that is it, people. Boy, I enjoyed the conversation. Yeah, you shared so many things. I just wish for you the best.
Thank you.
For your career, and I can't wait for your dreams to get realized. So you have the Daniel Loveless, you know, own Family Feud or whatever you want to call it. That would be good. You have the neighbors them compete against
each other. It's going to be called What You Know.
What You Know. That stick with the name.
Yeah.
And keep the image and everything. And I'm sure said all Trinidad and Tobago will be rooting for you for years to come. Alright, bless up yourself.
Thank you so much, buddy.
You can't there and you don't plug. Yeah, man. You can't there and you don't plug your social media.
Don't forget to follow me on social media. My personal Instagram is at I am Daniel Loveless. That's I am Daniel Loveless. And if you want to see some funny videos, you can check me out on What You Know TT. That's WHAT, YUH No TT. Right? We also have a YouTube channel. You can check it out on What You Know, Facebook, What You Know, everything What You Know. So if you didn't know,
now you know.
You don't know.
Oh, you normally close out your video then.
What's that?
Oh, you normally close out your video then. We'll see if I can do it like you.
Alright.
You normally do the way like you.
Try my intro.
Oh, we try.
We just want to know what you know. If you know anything you know, you may know, I may not know, but we just want to know what you know. Let me go.
We just want to find out some of them. I feel like I'm doing Busta Rhymes.
What you know? Let me go.
What you know? There we go. Peace out.